Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix SSL issues in your Shopify store. SSL keeps your store secure and ensures customers see the trusted padlock in their browser. If your store is not showing as secure, here is how to fix it. Let's get started. In Shopify, go to your settings. Once you are in settings, click Domains. If you already have a domain connected, let's say we bought a domain and it is not yet secure. With SSL, wait up to 48 hours for it to activate. We just need to wait because this is the time required to activate the SSL on your domain. Next, make sure your domain records are correct and set up according to Shopify's requirements. We need to configure the DNS settings. Click on your domain and go to your DNS settings. Enter the required details and check your DNS settings to make sure everything is correct. Now, click the Reconnect option. If you already have a domain, click to set a free domain. Connect to the free domain, then reconnect to your primary domain. This will refresh all the settings for your domain. We just need to disconnect and reconnect to trigger a refresh. Next, we need to clear the browser cache. Press Ctrl+H on your keyboard, then click Delete Browsing Data. Then select Cookies, Site Data, and Cache, and delete them to clear the memory. If the issue still appears, contact Shopify support. You will see the Contact Support option. Click there to report your SSL issue. And that's it. We have fixed the SSL issues on your Shopify store. Keeping your store secure is key to building trust with your customers.